Hello everyone, today I'm going to upgrade the iDrive system from ID4 to ID6 for this M4 2016. Okay, ID4 to ID6. Later we'll show you.
蛮快的嘞，说4个小时才用了2个小时。
Yeah, the flushing is undergoing. So for this M4, once the flushing is finished, the ID6 will come. Hello, for this M4 competition package, we have successfully upgraded the iDrive system from ID4 to ID6. Yeah, this is M4. Okay, so we have turned on the engine. Now the ID6 system looks like this. Okay, this is the media, this is the navigation, this is the weather forecast in the connected drive, right? All these things are all working well. See, perfect. And also this my vehicle, you can see your M4 vehicles, which you never see it before in your iDrive system. You can see from here, right? Very beautiful. It's an M4 car. Okay, the lights. Okay, see the signal lights also blinking. On top, you can see an Apple CarPlay logo over here. Okay, so this is the most cases. I need to pump the fuel, navigation map, the communication. Yeah, the Apple CarPlay. Okay, we can see this Apple CarPlay got the app WhatsApp. You can use your voice to read to send new message to your WhatsApp friends. Apple Spotify, and you can also install other apps other than these, the navigation map, the music, phone. Now I'm recording the video, so I didn't show up you. This is a very common one, very easy to use. And surely you can see in connected drive, you can see this what do you call it, inside the communication, I think. You can see manage mobile devices from here. You can see over here you have Apple CarPlay, the telephone, and Bluetooth audio, all from your phone. Okay, this is the main page, and optionally you can also change this iDrive to the newer one with 2 chrome line, and surely for this car he didn't change. And you can also make the screen touchable. Now it's not touchscreen. So this is optional items. Okay, then that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.